on how to make this on our website, HispanicFoodNetwork.com. All right, let's make one real quick and take people through the process.
One of the things is that you always have to, when you hold it, you get a size of the corn husk. Is with the time you hold it, and it's pretty much the size of your hand. That's where you're going to be putting the corn husk. And most of the time, you grab the, upside down your spoon, and then you go sideways.
Ah, the sideways.
Yeah.
Yes.
See? And then you start from the top, and then you're going down.
You're like
that's
a
it.
professional. You're like a Vincent Van Gogh there.
And then you put your meat. And what you do, you hold it, twist it, and then you fold it. And that's the way you get your tamal. And it all depends, some people, they don't want to put a lot of meat. You can put a lot of meat. It's your choice, how much meat you want to put in your tamal. For us, we don't put a lot of flour. We put, the masa. We put just a little bit light. That way, when you're in your tamal, you can taste the meat in there.
Oh,
and what
I
you
love
do,
the meatier, the better.
you just put you keep putting your tamal, and you just keep going around and around.
How many can you stuff in them? Some people put a lot.
You can put up, sometimes, this one is a small one, you can put up to 3 or 4 dozens in there.
Yeah.
But you don't want to put a lot too, because when you put them a lot, you squeeze the tamales.
Yeah, that's true.
And you don't want to do that. You don't want to put a lot of weight, because more weight you put it in, the ones at the bottom, that's when it come out. But usually it takes like between an hour and a half and 2 hours to steam, medium high.
So medium high for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. So don't overcook them, because if you overcook them, it's just going to turn into a monster.
And if you overcook them, you're going to run out of water, you're going to burn your tamales.
Yeah.
And you don't want to burn your tamales. It's a lot of work.
See how easy he made that look? That's why if you don't want to take the whole endeavor to actually try to make these, just come over here to De Leon's. I mean, and how much in terms of volume can you make? Can people order like 100, 150? Do you have a limitation?
No limitation. You can buy the many as you want. Like last year, I think on the month, between the 23rd and the 24th of December, we sold up to 2,000 dozens in 2 days. So make sure you order your tamales ahead.
And I need 4 dozen.
Okay.
All right.
We're getting ready. Well, Feliz Navidad. Próspero Año Nuevo. Nos esperamos pronto.
All right. That means Happy New Year. Have a great Christmas. And they will be waiting for you here for your order. They're going to have all the tamales that you need. Adios, everybody.
Adios, amigos.